Thinking about starting your own trucking company? Insurance can seem overwhelming, but don't worry, in the next few minutes, I'm going to break down exactly what insurance you need, what's recommended, and what's just optional. No fluff, no upselling, just the facts to get you rolling without stress. Hey, we're Mainstream Insurance, and we've been helping owner-operators and new authorities get the right insurance since 2003. We know the ins and outs of trucking insurance, and I'm here to make it as simple as possible for you to get compliant and protect your business. If you're ready to go live with your DOT and MC number, this video is for you. Let's start with the must-haves, the insurance you have to be legal. First, you need primary liability insurance. The FMCSA minimum for this is $750,000, but most brokers require at least $1 million. This covers injuries or damage you cause to others while you're on the road. Next up, cargo insurance. This covers the goods you're hauling. Most brokers and shippers will require a minimum of $100,000 in cargo coverage. That said, the value of the cargo you're hauling might push you to go higher. General liability is another one that isn't required by the FMCSA, but it is often required by freight brokers. This covers things like damage to property, injuries at your business location, or even negligence claims. State-specific filings. Depending on where you're operating, there are state-specific filings. For example, in California, you'll need to file the MCP 65, and with the FMCSA, you'll need to file the BMC 91X. These ensure your business is officially recognized and compliant with state and federal laws. Now, here's where a good agent can save you money. If you work with an agent who specializes in trucking insurance, they can help you understand what you really need based on your specific business model. There's no reason to overpay for coverage you don't need. You don't need to guess or navigate this alone. A specialized agent will get you the right coverage and help you avoid unnecessary add-ons. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. If you're about to launch your authority, don't go it alone. I offer free consultations to help you get the coverage you need, based on your business plan. Just send us an email below to schedule a call, or drop your state and equipment type in the comments, and I'll point you in the right direction. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there on the road.